Chapter 6 QBasic. QBasic. It is a computer programming language. Computer language. Low level language. High level language. Machine language. Assembly language. A computer language is divided into two levels: low level programming language and high level programming language. The low level language is again divided into two languages: machine level language and assembly level language. But nowadays, we always use high level language to form various applications and programs. Low level language is very close to machine language as it uses bits and bytes language or 0 and 1s language to give instruction and design programs, whereas high level language is very close to humans as it uses English language to give instructions and design programs. Let's study some more basic terms before starting language QBasic. Program. The stepwise instruction given to the computer by the user is known as program. Programmer. The person who writes a program is known as programmer. Programming language. The language in which particular instructions are given is known as programming language. There are two types of programming languages: low-level language and high-level language. Low-level language is very close to machine, whereas high-level languages are close to human as they use English-like language to take input and give output. QBasic, a programming language. QBasic is very simple language to learn, yet it can accomplish great deal. It is a simple language used to create games, business applications, simple database and graphics. The best aspect of the language is its close resemblance to English. It is easy, simple and user-friendly language. The word basic in QBasic itself reflects that the language is easy and simple and the first step towards high-level language. QBasic stands for Quick Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Basic language was created by John Kemeny and Thomas Kurtz in 1964 at Dartmouth College, whereas QBasic 4.5 version was given by Microsoft Company in the year 1987 with MS-DOS. Versions of QBasic. QuickBasic is an easier to use version of the original BASIC. There are various versions of BASIC available in the market. They are BASIC, GW Basic, Power Basic, Basica, QBasic. History of QBasic. When BASIC was first made, it was used on mainframes machines. But later, the language was widely accepted as their first computer language because of its easy to understand code. Back then, all languages were hard to understand because of their abstraction. Although BASIC is a good language for beginners, it is not a recommended language for a person who wants to become a professional programmer. Starting QBasic. Method 1. Click on the Start button. Select the All programs. Click on the QBasic. Click QBasic. QBasic window appears. Starting QBasic. Method 2. Double-click on the Microsoft QBasic. QBasic window appears. QBasic screen. QBasic is divided into two windows. They are Editor's window, the blue colored screen where we write the program, also known as Program window or Editor window. Output window, black colored screen. Here we see the output of the program is known as Output window. Editor's window, Output window. The QBasic editor screen, known as QBasic interface, has major following features: menu bar, title bar, program window, immediate window, status bar, program window. It is a screen where you write your program and it covers most of the QBasic interface. Menu bar. The menu displays most of the operations for QBasic editor, such as saving a file, opening a new file, opening existing file, pasting text, etc. Title bar. This displays the name of the current program near the top of the screen in the center. Status bar. The status bar is present at the bottom of the screen. It displays a short list of commands like F6 is equals to window, F5 is equals to run, etc. On the right side of the status bar, you can see three different options present which tell about the status of numlock and caps lock, current line and current column. Immediate window. In QBasic, immediate window provides a way to execute a command without running the current program. You can directly write a command under immediate window and then press enter. Basic operations in QBasic editor window. There are various useful menus such as File and Search, Edit, Run, View, etc. present on the menu bar, having various options with them. File menu. Menu options. Description. New. Opens a new program window. Open. Loads an existing program from disk. Save. Saves the current written program. Save as. Saves the current opened program with a different name. Print. Prints the current program. Exit. Closes the QBasic screen. Edit menu. Menu options. Description. Cut. Removes the selected text and keep it on the clipboard. Copy. Copies the selected text to the clipboard. Paste. Paste the text from clipboard to the position of cursor. Clear. Removes the selected text from an area. Elements of QBasic. Every programming language consists of some numbers, characters, words and statements, etc., which make a program. Similarly, QBasic also consists of some of these elements which are necessary to remember for any programming language. Let's discuss them in detail. Character set. It is a set of symbols, characters and numbers. It includes letters A to Z or A to Z, number 0 to 9 and symbols like plus, minus, multiply and symbol like and blank spaces. Keywords. Keywords are those words which have special meanings in QBasic. Keywords are formed using characters of QBasic character set. Keywords are also called reserved words. Example, let, print, input, end, etc. Data types. Data types in QBasic tell us about the kind of data stored in named memory location. That is, the data stored in memory location is a number or character. Data types. Numeric, string or alphanumeric. Variable. Variable means temporary, that is, which tend to change. So, variables are of numeric or string data types which change during the program run. Constant. Constant means permanent, that is, which do not tend to change. So, constants are numeric or string data types which do not change during the program run. Operator. Operators. QBasic has three kinds of operators. Operator. Arithmetic operator. Relational operator. Logical operator. Arithmetic operators. They work on numeric values and always give a numeric output. It consists of various types of arithmetic operators such as sign, name of operator, description, plus, addition, adding two numbers, minus, subtraction, subtracting two numbers, multiply, multiplication, multiplying two numbers, divide, division, dividing two numbers, exponential, exponential, finding the exponential value of number raised to the power of other number. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to check a condition. Here is the list of different types of relational operators. Sign, name of operator, description, equals. If both variables are equal, it returns true else false. Less than. If first variable is smaller, it returns true else false. Greater than. If first variable is bigger, it returns true else false. Less than or equal to. If first variable is smaller or equal to second, it returns true else false. Greater than or equal to. If first variable is greater or equal to second, it returns true else false. Not equal to. If both variables are unequal, it returns true else false. Logical operators. Logical operator is used for comparing two or more conditions. Some commonly used logical operators are operator, description, and. If both variables are equal, it returns true else false. Or, if first variable is smaller, it returns true else false. Not. If first variable is bigger, it returns true else false. QBasic statements. QBasic is a systematic arrangement that works on different kinds of statements or commands. The different kinds of statements present in QBasic are basic statements, CLS, RAM, goto, end, assignment statement, let, input statement, input, output statement, print, Conditional statement, if, then, else. Loop statement, for, next, while, when. Basic statements. Rem command. This command is a short form of remark. It's used by the user to describe the current program and is not rendered or processed by the compiler. Alternatively, an apostrophe can also be used in place of the rem command. Syntax, ram, description or comment. Example. End command. This command, as the name suggests, end the statement or the current program. It is an executable command which terminates the program written by the user. Usually, this is last line of the program. Syntax, end. Example. CLS command. CLS command means clear screen. This is used to clear the output screen so that the new task or output is displayed on the monitor without showing any previous program's output. Syntax, CLS. Example. Goto command. The use of goto command has vanished since the use of QBasic has started. It was widely used in the older version of BASIC because we used to input a line number before writing every particular command in them. It was used to move from one command to another by matching the line number of the command providing with the line number of goto statement. Too much use of goto command makes the program difficult to read. It also wastes the precious processing time because each time a goto command is found, the whole program has to be checked for the particular match. Syntax. Goto. Line number. Example. Goto command. Assignment statement. Let command. This command is used to store the values, numeric or alphanumeric, into variables or constants. While storing a value in a variable, writing let keyword is optional. Syntax let variable is equals to value expression or statements. Example. Input statement. Input command. The input command is used to take data, numeric and alphanumeric, from the user during program execution. When you enter the input command, a question mark appears on the output screen, indicating user to fill data, and further execution of the program is suspended until user supplies the requested data. Syntax: input variable. Example: output statement. Print command. This command is used to display the output of the program on the output screen. Anything that you want to print on the screen would be written in double quotes. Double quotes. If you only write the keyword print, then a new blank line will be printed. Syntax: print variable or print message. Example: quitting QBasic. To quit QBasic, go to the File menu present on the menu bar and click Exit.